Hi, to call to voicemail on Samsung Galaxy S25, you need to open your phone dialer and find simply button number which stands for voicemail. So this is the voicemails icon on my number one right here. And to actually find the number, I would need to press and hold it. And this is it. If something does not work right or you cannot call to this number, then tap on three dots, go in speed dial numbers, and check corresponding number for the voicemail. Go back to your keypad and press this particular number on the keypad. If the problem still exists, then let's go in settings. Here find voicemail. And make sure that you have set the right number and also that you set notifications. If the number is not listed or you don't know it, contact your operator's website or customer service. Voicemail features may vary by operator or region. And if you are still unable to connect to voicemail after following all steps, check if there are updates for your device or try to reboot it. It is strongly recommended that you always use the current numbers and settings provided by your service provider. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.